Hello friends, welcome to Data Science Lovers. In this video, we will see how we can remove unwanted rows from a table in Power BI. Suppose we have this table in Power BI and we want to remove the unwanted rows from this table. Like you can see here we have null values and here also we can see the error values. Okay, and we also have the duplicate values in this table. First of all, select this table and we have to go to the transform data. When we will click on this, the table will be open in Power Query Editor. Here you can select the table COVID-19 data. Okay, so we will work on this table. We will start with removing the top rows from the table. Suppose I want to remove top 2 rows from this table, then simply the table is selected. Okay, you have to go to remove rows here. This option you have to choose remove rows, and the first option is remove top rows. When you will click on this, it will ask how many top rows you want to remove. Okay, number of rows. Suppose I want to remove 2 rows, so I will simply pass 2 here and press OK. Before pressing OK, you can see the first row having Afghanistan and second row having Albania. Okay, when I will click on OK, the top 2 records are removed here. So that's how you can remove any number of top rows from any table. Next is we will remove the bottom rows. From this table, suppose we have to remove the last 2 rows. Okay, this Benin and Bhutan. So simply we will click on remove rows. The second option is remove bottom rows. When you will click on this, it will ask the number of rows you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete 2 rows, then I will pass 2 here and OK. Then last 2 records or bottom 2 rows are removed now. Okay. Next is removing the alternate rows from a table. Suppose I want to remove the alternate rows from this table. I will start with removing this second row, the fourth row, sixth row and so on. Okay. Again we have to select the table, go to remove rows, and the third option is remove alternate rows. When you will click on this, it will ask for 3 fields. Okay. It is asking first row to remove. I want to remove the second row. Okay, so it will be my first row that I want to remove from this table. So I will write row number 2. Okay, then number of rows to remove. I want to remove only one row at once, so I will pass 1 here. Okay, suppose you want to remove more than one row at once, like you want to remove row number 2, row number 3, then you can pass 2 here. Okay, next is number of rows to keep. After removing this second row, how many rows you want to keep? I want to keep only the next row, means I want to keep only one row. So I will pass 1 here. Suppose I want to keep 2 rows, the third row and fourth row. Then I will pass 2 here. Okay, and so on. But I want to keep only one row at once. Then I will pass 1 here and then you will press OK, and the alternate rows are removed here from this table. Okay, so this option of removing the alternate rows can be tricky for you, but you can practice and learn it. Next is removing the records having duplicate values. Suppose in this table there are columns having the duplicate values and we want to remove these rows. So go to remove rows and next option is remove duplicates. If you want to read about it, then you can see it is saying remove rows containing duplicate values in the currently selected columns. Okay, so it will remove the duplicate values from the selected column. This time the date column is selected. When I will choose this option remove duplicate, you can see the date is duplicate, so all the dates having the duplicate value are removed. Okay, but we don't want to do this. Suppose I want to choose this column confirmed. Okay, this column is selected now. When I will use remove duplicates option on this column, you can see only one row is removed from here and that was duplicate. So that's how we can remove the rows having duplicate values. Next is removing the blank rows from the table. In this table you can see Here we have one blank row. Okay, there is no value, it is showing null. We want to remove this blank row, so we have to go to remove rows, and the fifth option here is remove blank rows. When you will click on this, the blank row is removed. Okay, the last option to remove rows is remove errors, means we want to remove those rows having errors. Here in this table you can see this is value #5 and dollar. You can say these are the errors, but it is not showing error here. The reason is, as you can see, this column confirmed having the numerical values, but here the data type is text, so it is considering #5 as a text only. When we will change the data type of this column to its original data type, which is a, you can say, whole number, then you can see it is showing error now. Okay, this one. And similarly here also, this is a numerical column, but here the data type is text. Now we will change this data type to whole number, so when there is the actual data type of the column, the error is shown. Now simply we can select the table, and you can go to remove option and remove error. It is showing it will remove rows containing errors in the currently selected column. So this confirmed column is selected. When we will click on this, the row having the error is removed now. So that's how we can remove the unwanted rows from a table in Power BI. That's all friends for this video. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more data science videos.